Hello, in front of me I've got Hollow Knight Silksong. In this video I'll show you where is the first fragment of Spool. In the beginning let's go to inventory, and as you can see right here we've got Spool fragments. One half of an artifact left behind by the waivers, designed to collect and hold silk. Completed spool will allow one to hold more silk within their shell. The first fragment of the spool is located right here in Deep Docks. In order to access it, you have to run through whole area with lava, jump up there and push the lever. Thanks to this, position of this shelves will switch and you'll be able to jump here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.